Hey guys, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is going to be a quick unboxing video on this air purifier by Winix. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. Now let's get into the video. Let's check it out. So three things to note when you buy this particular air purifier. So it's got a 4-stage filtration built into it. It also comes with a 2-year filter supply, which is really nice. Straight off, you're not buying air filters. Also, it has True HEPA built right in, and it's got the plasma wave technology. So very nice features. Alright, so just taking a closer look at the box here. This works on dust, pollen, smoke, chemicals, hair, pet dander. You can also connect this with your mobile device, which is kind of cool. Gives you an idea so you can kind of track your air quality. Is a 4-stage filtration system, fine mesh, pre-filter, activated carbon filter, True HEPA filter, and then the plasma wave technology. And this will work in 360 square feet of space. Okay, let's start with the unboxing. Some instructions right there. Looks like it's packaged very well. The filter, another filter, the main unit, that's everything in the box. So we've got some instructions. We've got two very serious looking filters here, and then the main component. But wait, there's more. Behind here, another filter. And then all of this stuff. Shows you the quick setup. So we're going to untape this. Going to untape the sides and top. They're shown right here. You need to lift this out. Take the plastic off. Looks like it goes back in like that. And then this screen, looks like it holds it in. Put your cover on. You're ready to go. That is everything in the box. So you've got all these extra charcoal covers, and then you got this extra HEPA filter right here. Your instructions and your main air purifier. Here's a look at the control panel on the Winix Air Purifier. You'll notice that light is blue. That means we have very good air quality right now. When it turns orange, your air quality is marginal. When it's red, you have bad air quality. Here's a better look at the air purifier in action. It is very quiet. It does put out a lot of air, and it also has a night mode built into it. That's the end of my unboxing video. Hopefully it was really helpful for you. Give it a big thumbs up or a like. Also be sure and like and subscribe to the channel. There is a link in the description where you can find this item. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.